Hi guys, and welcome back to Crazy Baker Unleashed, and today on the channel we're going to be trying out this Auto Glym Polar Blast to see if it's any good. Now before we test it out, first thing guys is make sure it's not a really hot day outside or it's the bodywork of your car is really hot, because this product doesn't like that type of thing. That's if you read the instructions. Now how to use this product is very simple. They do have a lot of small print, so be very careful and follow the instructions. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, let's pop outside and give it a go. First thing you want to do guys is measure off the correct amount, which is 100 milliliters of product to 500 milliliters of water, and put this into a snow foam gun. Now it's best if you use a Karcher K7. This is probably the best one to use. Now switch her on. Make sure your gun is at full blast. Right then, we'll get on with spraying the car down. As you notice, this foam goes on very thick. Go all the way around the car. You can go under the wheel arches, wheels. Right, we'll get on to the other side. As you can see, it really goes on really well. I just love it. Right, now all we do is let this drool for around about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes you can start getting it off. Now the important part is with this guys is to get as much of this foam off as you possibly can. And you don't want it to set on it. Because I did notice whilst I was using the foam that it will leave the foam residue if it's not taken off the vehicle. There we go. Right, now we'll have a look at the bodywork. We'll start on the side door. Now I've noticed there's not a lot of residue on the door, but then the car wasn't that dirty to start with. Now on the back the same, but the back was a lot more dirtier. Again, there wasn't much on there. Now on the side, what I did notice was there was a lot of watermarks on the bodywork. But apart from that, there was just the normal residue you'd expect from snow foam. Well guys, this is damn good stuff. I've absolutely used this over and over. I've used many of other products, but this, to me, is the one that, if you want instant snow, this is the one. Now, a little secret, guys. They sell this other product. It's called Polar Wash. Now, if you weaken this one down, we'll give you this one. So, don't waste your money on buying this one. I will be doing a review on this one later. And there is a funny thing to go about on this one. But we'll leave that for the next video. But this one, it's well worth the money. There is other products on the market, but again, the amount of residue left on the vehicle is down to how much your vehicle is filthy. The Mini I was actually washing wasn't that bad, but if you've got a really heavy soiled vehicle, don't expect miracles from snow foam. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!